Hello. Sorry for the delay. I was just trying to get on the live thing. I'm really excited to be on News 18 today. How is everybody? I thought we could do this takeover and we could speak about how everyone is doing during these times, during the lockdown. सब लोग कैसा फील कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं और थोड़ी सारी बातें हम ज़रूर करें आज. Sid Tiwari says hello. Hi. Guys, if there's any questions you want to ask me, please feel free. And I'm really excited to be on this chat this evening. Usually, I find myself talking to myself these days, so it's really much nicer that you guys are here. BN Sahu, I'm very well. How are you? What have you guys been up to? I would really like to know what your day is like. Are you all cooking anything? Have you developed some new hobbies? How are you coping with things? Amit Gupta, hi, मैं अच्छी हूँ. आप कैसे हो? Bhairav Pandey, hi. Arpit Yadav, hello. Sabir Ahmad, what is the reason of your beautiful skin? Thank you so much for the compliment. I think working out is very, very important, and I don't think that my skin looks good at all unless and until I work out. So I would really recommend everyone to work out at least 3 to 4 times a week. Let's see what questions. Varun Arora, following your journey from Ambala to Bombay. Hey Varun, that's really sweet. Thank you. Tell us about Boom Boom, please. So Boom Boom is this short and sweet short film that I shot very recently, and it's released on Z5. You guys can go check it out. It's a 10-minute tour. It'll probably make you smile and laugh a little bit during these times. Krishna Naik says hi. Rajkumar Sharia Meena says beautiful. Thank you. Jabir Raju has decided that I am his sister. How are you, sister? I'm very well. How are you? भगत सिंह जी कहते हैं कि ऑल इज़ वेल घर के अंदर. बहुत बढ़िया, घर के अंदर ही रहिए, क्योंकि घर के अंदर रहने के अलावा आप अभी कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है. अपना ख्याल रखिए, अपने आजू बाजू सब लोगों का ख्याल रखिए, और जितना हो सकता है खुश रहिए, और spread happiness, spread cheer. It really makes a difference in these times to uplift kind of everybody around you. Someone Sushil asks, is it natural or soaps make the difference to my skin? I don't use any soaps. I honestly use a lot of DIY at home, especially nowadays. I'm being able to do that at home skin remedies. So one that I would like to share with you is yogurt, a little bit of lime and honey. It really works wonderfully on our skin, and especially because yogurt has active bacteria. So that's a tip in case you guys want to remember. Thank you so many compliments, guys. You're really making my day. You're really making me very happy. Any other questions? Ask me some questions and I can give you all the answers. Thank you, Anup Saroj. Mukesh Pisa, I'm very well, thank you. How are you? Where are you from? Muhammad Ahmad asks me. So my dad was in the Indian Army. He served for 25 years. My mom is from Bombay, but she's Mangalorean, and my dad is Bengali, and I grew up all over India. And I've been in Bombay for the last 10 years, so I am from Bombay now. You were my college time crush, Adarsh Ranjan Rai. Thank you, that's cute. Which upcoming venture of yours are you excited about? I'm really excited about this film called Chehre that I shot last year with Mr. Bachchan. So there was Bachchan sir, Anu Kapoor sir, Raghuveer Yadav sir, Imran Hashmi, myself, we had Siddhant Kapoor, It was a great experience, and I'm really excited to see for you guys to see it. I hope it releases this year. I hope the pandemic slowly goes away and we can all resume to our lives, and I can resume to shooting more films. Nandita Lumba Nagi says, "You from Ambala missed the place." Ah, yes. My dad was in the army, so yes, he was posted to Ambala. I did study there for a year and a half. It's a very beautiful place and a really beautiful cantonment. What do you do in this quarantine at home? Devjit Bhattacharya. Well, Devjit, I am trying to be as productive as possible, because otherwise anxiety and feeling low can get the better of you. So I prefer waking up early in the morning by 6 o'clock. I think that's also something that's really good for your skin and your mental health. Post that, I like to get in a workout or like do some yoga in the morning. Then I clean up the house a little bit. I help my mother, believe it or not. And I off late try my hands on cooking a little bit. So I bake a cake here and there. I try and make some kind of vegetables myself. And then I try and avoid watching TV or watching any of these online platforms too much. I try and just watch it for 3 hours a day, so 2 hours at night and 1 hour in the afternoon. I'm watching of late all the Oscar films starting from 2020, going all the way back 10 years back. So just keeping myself occupied, trying to learn how to play the guitar. Recently did a course in Ayurveda. So just doing all the things that I had put out for later, you know. What is your favorite food and sweet? I love sweets. I love a good besan ka laddu. I love atte ka halwa, especially the ones that you get at gurdwaras as kada prasad. And I love donuts. Akhtar Ali says my jalebi movie was very nice. Thank you so much. That means a lot. Hi. Shrishti Negi says, how is your journey been from being a VJ to being a professional actor? Well, my journey has been amazing. I was 17 when I got my first job at MTV as the youngest VJ MTV had ever seen, and I really enjoyed being a TV VJ because I really got to be myself on MTV. And being an MTV VJ is like really one of those cool jobs, and you know, you're surrounded by all these cool people, whether it was Ranvijay, Anusha, all these guys. And then very soon after that, I got my first film with Yash Raj called Mere Dad Ki Maruti, and that's how my journey began. And it's been very beautiful, and I've been very, very grateful. I've been able to work with some amazing people, right from YRF to Ramesh Sippy sir to Bhatt Saab. And now Chair is going to release. I couldn't have asked for more. I'm really happy that you know, these kind of films have been made, and more and more amazing content is coming out now. So it's a really good time to be an actor. So yeah, Nandita Lumba Nagi, your regular skincare routine. So Nandita, like I said, I really like using natural products. So my kitchen is like the most exciting place for me to go. I take 2 spoons of yogurt, 3 drops of lemon, and a spoon of honey, and I mix it together and apply it on my skin, and it really works wonders. You should try it. Other than that, another one that I really like is any fruit that you're eating, like papaya or blueberries or strawberry. You can crush it up. You add a little bit of oats to it, 1 spoon of honey, and if you have vitamin E capsules, that also does the trick. Sabir Ahmed, what positive message would you like to give all countrymen and women in this time? I would like to say that घर पे रहिए, अपना ध्यान रखिए, अपने आजू बाजू हर इंसान आपके घर में जो है उनका ध्यान रखिए, और बाहर मत निकलिए, क्योंकि आप बाहर निकलने से सिर्फ अपनी ही नहीं बाकियों की ज़िंदगी को भी खतरा है. स्पेशली वो लोग जो हमारे लिए दिन रात काम कर रहे हैं. आपको तो घर में बैठने का ऑप्शन भी है, बट बहुत सारे एसेंशियल सर्विसेज वर्कर्स, पुलिसमैन, डॉक्टर्स, आपके वॉचमैन भी बाहर हमारे लिए काम कर रहे हैं. तो उनके लिए बाहर मत जाइए, और बहुत जल्द होपफुली ये ख़त्म हो जाएगा और हम लोग फिर सड़कों पे निकल सकेंगे, और वो आज़ादी हमने सच में कमाई होगी एज अ नेशन, अगर हम इस लॉकडाउन को सीरियसली लें, जो कि आई थिंक काफ़ी हद तक इंडिया कर रहा है. तो Let's see the next question. Asif Sheikh says, ma'am would like to see you in a suspense thriller. Yes, Chehre is actually a suspense thriller, Asif, and it's going to release. अभी तो जुलाई में होने वाला था, but now let's see. Sajid Ahmed Makru says, I'm from Kashmir, like Jannat. Kashmir is like Jannat. I actually shot a bit of jalebi in Kashmir and I absolutely fell in love with the place. Who else? Shout out from Filipino. Oh, we have people from Filipino here. Hi, Rowell Ching. Rafiq Mohammed says, what is your weak point of your life? Well, Rafiq, I think that nobody's life is perfect और सबकी ज़िंदगी में ऐसा समय आता ही है जब आप ऊपर भी जाते हो और नीचे भी जाते हो और ज़िंदगी क्यों मैं तो कहूँगी कि हर दिन आप अप एंड डाउन होते हैं एंड आई थिंक व्हाट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ जब आप सुबह उठते हैं आपको ये सब देखना चाहिए कि आप किस तरह का दिन चाहते हैं आज, अच्छा हंसी खुशी वाला या इरिटेबिलिटी वाला. तो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि रोज़ पीस और जॉय को प्रायोरिटी दूँ और इसीलिए अपने वीक मोमेंट्स में ज़्यादा सफ़र नहीं करती हूँ. Please do a movie with Imran Hashmi. Wazeed Ali, I have actually done a movie with Imran. It's called Chehre. It's due to release this year. And I absolutely had an amazing time working with him. He's one of the nicest co-stars to have. And he also brings the best coffee on set. Guys, any more questions that you have for me? So yes, I am actually someone who loves working out. It was not the case. शुरुआत में थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है वर्कआउट करना अपने आप से, लेकिन आई थिंक क्वारंटीन में जिस चीज़ ने मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा सेन रखा है वो वर्किंग आउट ही है. तो मैं डेफिनेटली आप सबको बोलना चाहूँगी कि प्लीज़ कोशिश कीजिए, कुछ नहीं तो दिन में 10 सूर्य नमस्कार कर लीजिए, स्क्वाट्स कर लीजिए, थोड़ा घर में ही चल लीजिए एंड इट रियली मेक्स अ डिफरेंस. Khayal Mohammad Nasari says hello. Tell me what you guys have been up to during quarantine. तो गाइस, आप लोगों के पास और कोई सवाल है तो ज़रूर पूछ लीजिएगा. रचित मेहरोत्रा says नमस्कार from प्रज्ञराज, you are too cute. नमस्कार आपको भी. थैंक यू, आप सबने मुझे इतना सारा प्यार दिया और बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से बात करके. एक तो लास्ट सवाल मैं ले लेती हूँ. Who is your favorite one in your family? My brother is my favorite person in my family. And Zaka Khan asks me, what about acting with Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan? It's a dream come true for anybody. तो ज़रूर करना चाहूँगी. और मैंने आज एक केक बेक करने रखा है जिसकी स्मेल मुझे ऑलरेडी आ रही है, तो फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड अच्छा बना हो. देखने के लिए कम टू माई इंस्टाग्राम पेज Riya_Chakraborty ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. आप लोगों से बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्व्स, बी हैप्पी, स्टे सेफ, स्टे एट होम. थैंक यू News 18. दिस वॉज अमेजिंग. लॉट्स ऑफ लव. बाय.